Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook okra soup without oil, without palm oil, without vegetable oil, and without tomatoes. This is cutting okras and cutting onions together. This is roasted turkey as a meat we are going to use. This is cow skin we are going to meat inside again, and this is fish. You can see different fish we are going to join, put inside. This is green leaves, and this is ingredients here. You can see green pepper, cutting onion again, spices already made. We have learned last time. We are going to use to spices our meat. This is Maggi, and this is soda powder. We are going to put it also inside. And after the soup, we are going to cook banku or akple or fufu. We are going to use corn flour and potato starch to cook akple or banku or fufu to eat with it. Stay with me. Thank you. Start the cooking. We are going to spices our cow skin. On a commencé de préparer. On va assaisonner la peau de bœuf. La peau du bœuf assaisonnée. Starting cooking. This is our Maggi. This one is the spices already made. Our onions. Yeah. We add water because cow skin is strong. On va commencer la préparation. On a mis le Maggi et les épices, oignons coupés, et puis on mélange. Commençons. Du sel aussi à côté. Ok. Maintenant, comme la peau du bœuf prend du temps, on va couvrir à 30 minutes. Yeah, because cow skin take time. We are going to cover him to 30 minutes. To cook to 30 minutes. Okay, stay with me. Wow, look at it. Our cow skin. Wow, regardez. Notre peau de bœuf, c'est préparé déjà. We are going to put it aside. On va le mettre à côté. Et puis maintenant, c'est la viande. Déjà assaisonnée avec des épices, Maggi et des oignons coupés.